Welcome back again. In this video, let's start working on creating login form. I'm removing that p tag. I'm just adding a form tag. Inside the form tag, what I am doing is th:\action equal to, the action should be like @ flower braces / I'm saying login user. What this / login user will do is, we will be providing the request mapping URL there as a / login user. So this should get matched with that request mapping URL. Then the method should be like a post. Okay, method should be like a post. It should be post. Then add a pre tag. Okay, after that label. Inside that email, I'm adding input. Then it should be like a type equal to email. The type is email and name should be email. This should be like a required. Okay, and / add /br label password, input type equal to password, name equal to password, then required / I'm saying /br input type equal to submit, value should be a login. Close that. That's it. Let's check here the preview. Okay, the preview is like this. Then the next thing what we will do is, we will add the logic in controller. We have the user controller. Go inside that, where let me create a method public. This should return the string. I'm saying the method name as login user. This takes the two parameters. One is string email and another is string password. Okay, so what we will do is just for now return null. Okay, after that, the first step what we will do is, from the repository try to get the let's say for example, try to get the user by using the email ID. Find, I'm saying find by email, I'm saying. Okay, this takes the email. Okay, hover on it, create a method, create a custom finder method in the user repository, then press Ctrl Alt L. That's it. After that, just do the Control Alt V. Okay, just return the user. That's it. Here this should be user. Okay. Then after this, write one if condition. If user not equal to null, that means if user is present and user dot get password, that means we are trying to find the password from DB. The password which is coming from DB dot equals to the password which we are providing in the UI. Both are same. Just simply return flight details. That's it. Else, just simply add one model attribute. Model dot add attribute. This takes the error. This takes the error. Invalid email or password. That's it. Okay. That's it. So here, when we go to the user controller, we have added the model dot add attribute and the error message. So in order to get that invalid email or password to get printed in the UI, what we need to do is we need to add one tag. That should be like some p tag, where inside that I'm saying dollar error ph colon text equal to dollar error, and that text should be in a red color. So for that I'm saying red. Okay. If error ph dot text should be like a error, the style should be like a color. Okay. The next thing what we need to do is let me go to the controller. In the controller, at the rate of request mapping, provide the value as, go here into the login.xml, copy this and go to the user controller and just in the double quotes paste that, and also method equal to request method dot post. That's it. Do the Control Alt L to format. That's it. Let me test this and see. We have added everything. What we will do is, here we are returning the null. So for that I'm saying what we need to do is we need to return the login form. If error occurs, it should return the login form with that message. Okay. And also let me create a flight details page as well. Go here, right click, new file, flight details dot html. I'm saying go here, login, control A, control C, go here, paste it. The title should be, I'm adding the title as flight details. Okay, flight details. And in the body, remove this form tag, and in the body just add it as something, welcome to flight details page. Okay, and in the p tag just simply add login was successful. Okay, that's it. Now just simply run it. Application has been started. So just go and open the Google Chrome and open the localhost. We got the registration page. In the registration page, let me enter some Louis. The last name something like Philip. UIS@gmail.com. LOUIS. Click on register. If you go here and open the workbench, root, I have this SQL, just execute use reservation, because the DB is the use reservation. Select star from use. See here, the 6th row we have entered. Now, because this is a registered user, register email ID, with that we need to log in. Louis@gmail.com, and the password LOUIS, Louis. Just log in. See here, we have redirected to the flight details page. Okay, now what we will do is, let's check the error message also. Something like storage, something like I'm saying Kiran, last name Kiran. Look, some Kiran @gmail.com. I'm saying, and the password is Kiran. Okay, just register. Okay, we need to enter the details which the user has been registered. Those details only we need to enter. if we did not, these are the registered email IDs and these are the passwords. These only we need to enter. If we did not enter these details, what it will do is it will throw the error. Let's say for example, I have given the email ID correct only and the password is something wrong I have given. Click on login. See here it is throwing the invalid email or password. What it is doing is, after when I given the wrong password, let me go and explain here in IntelliJ. Go to the user controller. What it is doing is, when we enter the username or the email or the password, what it is doing is it is fetching the registered username and the password from DB in the line 32, and in the 33 it is doing a if check, that if user not equal to null, and also user dot get password, and the password which is there in the database is equals with the password which we entered in the UI. If that is, if both are equal, then it is returning the flight details. If we given the wrong password, this validation has been failed and it is just throwing the invalid email or password. That's what it is doing. If we did not enter any email or password, it is just prompting a please fill out this field, because we have given in Thymeleaf as a required fields. That's what it is doing. This is about the login page execution or implementation what we did. In the next video, what we will do is, in the coming video, we will add some flight details and we will try to book a flight which we want by adding all the complete details. We will do the complete reservation form filling, and thereby after filling the reservation and clicking on complete, it should be redirected to the email itinerary, will be redirected and a mail will be sent to the registered email ID. That's all, everything we will do in the next coming videos. This is for now for the login implementation.